What's up, guys? We didn't take an intro because she just picked me up. We're headed to Rifle Falls, and we know it's been a minute, but we don't have that much time. So this will be a little video. I told you. Let me do my B-roll real quick. I think it's funny. Yeah.
Fly to victory!
Oh, my butt! I can't feel my butt! Watch out, Daddy.
Yeah.
Can I take a picture of you?
No, I got it. I'm too big for this.
What are you guys doing?
It's right here, our little man cave.
This is the farthest it goes.
The thumbnail.
We're in a crag.
Yeah,
It's called Rifle
the thumbnail.
Falls.
The thumbnail. Can I try? I want to try.
Pretty bats in there.
I don't care.
What are you doing?
I'm cold.
Yeah, I don't know if you could go farther than this. Yeah. There we go.
Oh, he's up there?
This is the farthest this one goes. There's a tiny cave behind you, but this is the farthest it goes.
Well, Eddie, you can come up. Alright, let's keep going, guys.
Like the eye, it's too dark.
Guys, we keep walking. Yeah. I'm gonna go in there. I'm just kidding.
No. I think it's too dark.
Addie, I was gonna go in the little cave.
Yeah, I think it's too dark to go in that one. I would, but I need a flashlight.
What do you want? One. Okay, three. Okay, well, my phone.
Yeah. Oh, that's spooky looking. I don't like that. I'm out of here. I don't like that. I don't like. Don't you think about it. The tree got me instead. What the fuck? I almost died. Don't think of...